Hey there, welcome back. Today we are turning a used plastic bottle into a cool pen holder. I'm creating a pulp by soaking small pieces of tissue in colored water. So I mix white and fresh tint. Place the tiny tissue particles into colored water. Next, mix in some glue. Then mix it well. Allow pulp to dry by placing it on a sheet for a while. Now, stick the tissue pieces onto the plastic bottle. After giving it some time to dry, here's the outcome. Time to add some decorations. Next up, we'll be painting the cotton buds yellow. Afterward, gently attach the seeds. Then the leaf. Following that, add the colored cotton buds. Paint the top with a coat of yellow. And there you have it. Our creation is complete. I hope you had a fun making this with me. See you soon.